What's up, my beautiful viewers and subscribers? I don't know, it's your boy Santee, and I'm back at it with a brand new video. So in this video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to make cow skin soup with red peas. You see me? But please remember to like up the video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on the post notification bell so when I drop a new video get notified. And also, guys, please remember to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this video and share, you see me? So let's get right into the video. Very simple method, easy, and no whole work. So this is before the whole of cow skin cut up. Make some ital cow skin soup, you see me? Yeah. I'll get the rest of the ingredients. You guys will see that easy. When I finish cut up this, you guys will also see that. But stay tuned for the whole process. Yeah, alright. So yeah, guys, this is how it look after I finish cut up. The brown part you see on it, guys, that's beef. You see me? And first thing also, guys, when you cook cow skin soup, you have to soak your cow skin. If you just put in a pot, if you slow cook it, I want it to slow cook so I get all the flavor of the cow skin in the soup. And now I go pressure it, you see me? So this is how it look, guys, you see me? Yeah, man. After that, the bag after everything cover up, you see me? Yeah. So cook your soup, some pea soup with cow skin, peanut, and you know what? But you guys will see that, you see me? So first thing you have to cut up is cow skin, get it out of way, and then you get the ingredients and do the dirt. But stay tuned, guys, it's gonna be a happy. See, guys, this is the cow skin and the peas with 5 cloves of garlic. Yeah, this is how it look, guys. The peas are almost cooked, because these are round red peas. They don't take no more than 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Once you put in the right amount of garlic, then after that, guys, you're gonna get your veggies, your Irish, your carrot, green scallion, bell pepper, pimento seed, your dough for the dumpling, and your chicken noodle, and your coconut powder or coconut milk. Then you cut up your veggies, you dice them. For me, I always dice up my veg when I'm doing soup, even the yam, Irish potato, sweet potato. Then add in my coconut powder. I didn't have any milk, so throw in the coconut one I use. You don't need no more than one, depends on how big the pot is. You see me? I just stir it a little, because as soon as the pot boil up, everything will dissolve. You see me? Full flavor of the coconut at the end of the pot. You see me? But I already add in the pimento seed. I had like about 8 of them. Then I had my veggies. Yeah, man. Irish, carrot, yam. I dice up the yam. Then I had my scallion. I had the scallion in time after, and then I give the pot a stir again, make it go out simmer a little. Then I add my chicken noodle. Yeah, man, good for you always use Grace or whatever brand you like. I like Grace. Stir the pot again, because you don't know no go stay. If you don't stir the pot when you're throwing it, it'll stick up at the bottom. You see me? Yeah. Then don't know after that, guys, you add the bell pepper, you see me? Yeah, man. And then you add the dumplings. Yeah, man, you don't want them too big, and you don't want them too small. Yeah, make them at a very sensible size or medium size, as you say. Then after that, guys, you add in the dumpling them, you see me? You don't know dumpling cook fast. Once the pot is boiling good enough, you see me? Yeah. So as you guys can see, my dumpling them nice and neat and small. I don't make big dumpling, because you don't want to make no dumpling when you eat one of them belly full, you can't drink no nice soup. Yeah. Yeah guys, I don't know say make your amount of dumpling way you want. For me, I make quite a few. I was gonna give my brother, although he's not the type of person who fool around certain meat. But guys, I always stir your soup at least every 7 minutes.
Yeah, man, a good old cow skin, the red pea soup, you see me? Yeah, man, that is it. Good for man, good for woman, especially if it's a person who stand up on your foot all day and work, you see me? You know, so you can't leave out the scotch bonnet pepper, you see me? So I bust it little, alright? Yeah, get out some of the spice, you don't know how that go. You have to cook them around with spice. Have you in a pimento, season them in it, pimento green. You roll the dumpling them. Yeah man, you don't have to make a big old dumpling guys, you see me? You just make your dumpling them nice and neat like this, you see me? Yeah man. Your Irish and your carrot. Yeah man, your carrot and your Irish, you make sure you dice them up. You don't want them too big, cause I sip this, you see me? Yeah. Nice old cow skin, red pea soup, you see it? Cut up your cow skin at this size, yeah man. Yeah. First thing when you make it slow cook, better guys, you see me? Yeah man, look at that guys. Nice. Woo! So make that one cook and simmer. Let me show you guys the aftermath, you see me?
Yeah guys, so when you cook your soup, you look for this texture, you see me? Nice, smooth and rich and pretty, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. And you can see guys, cow skin well cooked. Yeah man, some of them are cook out, some of them well soft till when I take them up them are tear. Yeah, that is it man. You don't know say when you use peas in any soup, remember me tell when you take up it and then look thick as where I say really thick, trust me. As soon as the pot lock off, trust me, it's a different thing. Yeah.
Yeah guys, I finishing touch this here, you see me? So I'm gonna share out a small bowl right now. Yeah. See that guys? Nice and easy, you see me? Nice texture too. Yeah man. And I'm not put no okra in this. Imagine me put okra in it guys. Not much, so that is it for me.